PMFits is my new workshop, covering this time program management. If you recall, I have two workshops, the PM Rank that covers portfolio management and the PM Dom that covers project management. So now PMFits, that comes from benefits, covers the link between projects and your portfolio. So what do we do during this day? You will be part of a team that will help an organization to create a program management structure. So what do? We take projects, we take a strategic objective, and we pack this into specific benefit-related programs. So the programs will be related to one benefit that they will bring to the organization. After that, the team will support and work together to plan the execution of this program. So in one day, you will be able to understand and apply all aspects of program management.